Welcome to our exploration of crypto and financial freedom. The digital age has ushered in a revolution not just in how we communicate but also in how we manage and grow our wealth. With the advent of digital tools and platforms, financial management has become more accessible and efficient than ever before. Cryptocurrencies, once a fringe interest, have now exploded into the mainstream as a viable pathway to financial freedom. Their growth has been nothing short of phenomenal, capturing the imagination of both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. This isn't just about digital money, it's about creating a new financial paradigm where autonomy and privacy are paramount. Blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies, ensures that transactions are secure and private, giving users unprecedented control over their financial data. Imagine a world where your financial destiny is truly in your own hands. This is the promise of cryptocurrency. It offers a level of financial control that traditional systems simply cannot match. Cryptocurrencies offer a unique blend of security, transparency, and independence from traditional financial systems. This combination makes them an attractive option for those looking to safeguard their assets while maintaining full control. This independence is especially appealing in a world where traditional investments feel increasingly unstable. Economic uncertainties and market volatility have led many to seek alternative investment avenues. By decentralizing financial control, cryptocurrencies empower individuals, giving them the tools to not only protect but also to increase their wealth through savvy investments and trades. The decentralized nature of these digital assets means that users are not at the mercy of centralized institutions. The allure of cryptocurrencies goes beyond mere financial gains. They represent a shift towards a more innovative and technologically advanced financial ecosystem. They embody the spirit of innovation and technological advancement, integrating seamlessly with other cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, AI. This integration opens up new possibilities for automated trading, risk management, and personalized financial advice. This synergy is not just reshaping our financial landscape but also paving the way for unprecedented levels of personal financial autonomy and security. The future of finance is being redefined, offering more opportunities for individuals to take control of their financial destinies. It's a thrilling time to be involved in the crypto space as it promises not just returns, but a redefinition of what it means to be financially free. The potential for growth and innovation in this space is immense. In this vibrant new world, understanding the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and how to effectively trade them is crucial. Education and knowledge are key to navigating this complex and rapidly evolving landscape. It's not just about knowing the best currencies to invest in, it's about understanding a whole new financial language. This new language includes concepts like blockchain, decentralization, and smart contracts, which are essential for anyone looking to succeed in the crypto world. This essay aims to demystify this language, offering a clear path to mastering crypto trading and harnessing its potential for your financial freedom. By breaking down complex concepts into understandable terms, we hope to empower you to take full advantage of the opportunities that cryptocurrencies offer. Now, let's delve into the shift from fiat to virtual money, a topic that is reshaping the financial landscape as we know it. The transition from traditional fiat money to virtual currency represents one of the most significant financial shifts in recent history, fundamentally altering how we perceive and use money. Fiat money, controlled by governments and plagued by inflation, often results in value loss over time. This depreciation can erode savings and reduce purchasing power, affecting individuals and economies alike. In contrast, cryptocurrencies offer a decentralized alternative that is not bound by the same constraints, providing a more stable and secure investment in theory. They operate on a peer-to-peer network, free from central authority. The benefits of this shift are manifold and extend beyond just financial gains. Firstly, cryptocurrencies provide enhanced security. The cryptographic nature of these digital assets ensures that transactions are secure and private. Transactions are encrypted and recorded on blockchain technology, making them nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. This robust security framework is a significant advantage over traditional systems. This level of security is attracting not just individual investors, but also large corporations looking for safer ways to conduct business internationally. Companies are increasingly adopting blockchain for its reliability. Secondly, the transparency of blockchain ensures that every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, enhancing the accountability and traceability of financial movements. This transparency builds trust among users. Moreover, cryptocurrencies eliminate many of the fees and barriers associated with traditional banking. This reduction in costs can lead to significant savings for both individuals and businesses. They allow for faster transactions across borders without the need for currency exchange or banking intermediaries. This seamless process is revolutionizing international trade and finance. This not only speeds up business but also opens up global markets to individuals who may have been excluded from traditional financial systems. It provides opportunities for economic participation on a global scale. It's a democratizing force in global finance, leveling the playing field for everyone with internet access. This inclusivity is a powerful driver for economic growth and innovation. These advantages make virtual currencies not just an alternative, but in many cases a preferable choice to fiat money. They offer a new paradigm in financial management and investment. The shift is not just about adopting new technology, it's about adapting to a more transparent, efficient, and inclusive financial system. This evolution is paving the way for a future where financial transactions are more equitable and accessible. For many, this shift represents not just a financial choice but a philosophical alignment with values of equity and autonomy. It embodies a vision of a fairer, more decentralized financial world. Lastly, let's explore the power of crypto trading and AI. Crypto trading, when paired with the precision of artificial intelligence, AI, opens up a new realm of financial opportunities. AI enhances crypto trading strategies by processing vast amounts of data at speeds and accuracies that are humanly impossible. This allows traders to make more informed decisions, potentially increasing their chances of higher returns on investments. AI algorithms can analyze market trends, predict price movements, and execute trades at optimal times, minimizing risks and maximizing profits. These tools are becoming indispensable in the crypto world where market conditions can change rapidly. The integration of AI in crypto trading is not just about enhancing efficiency, it's about revolutionizing how we approach investments, making it a vital tool for anyone serious about maximizing their crypto trading potential. Moreover, AI-driven platforms can offer personalized trading advice, adapting to individual risk preferences and investment goals. This personalized approach helps novice traders make informed decisions, reducing the entry barriers to the complex world of cryptocurrencies. For seasoned traders, AI tools can refine strategies, identifying subtle market signals that might be overlooked. The synergy between crypto trading and AI is not just transforming individual portfolios, it's reshaping the entire financial landscape. As these technologies become more sophisticated, they promise to make the financial markets more accessible, efficient, and fair. This is a game changer, ensuring that the financial markets of the future will be vastly different from those of the past, driven by technology, transparency, and inclusivity. Successful crypto trading requires more than just understanding the market. It demands discipline and a well-thought-out strategy. The first step is education. Before diving into trading, it's crucial to understand the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. This foundational knowledge will not only help in making informed decisions, but also in adapting strategies as the market evolves. A practical trading strategy should include risk management. This involves setting clear limits on investment amounts and knowing when to cut losses. Diversification is another key strategy. By spreading investments across different cryptocurrencies, traders can mitigate risk and increase the potential for return. It's also important to keep emotions in check. The volatile nature of the crypto market can lead to rash decisions driven by fear or greed, which are often detrimental to long-term gains. Staying updated with market trends and technological advancements is crucial. The crypto market is highly dynamic, and what worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. Utilizing AI tools can help in keeping pace with these changes, providing real-time data and predictive analytics that can guide trading decisions. Moreover, joining communities of like-minded traders can provide support and insights which are invaluable in navigating the complex crypto markets. Engaging in discussions, sharing experiences, and learning from others can significantly enhance one's trading skills. Lastly, consistency is key. Regularly reviewing and adjusting strategies based on outcomes and new information keeps traders aligned with their financial goals. This disciplined approach is often what separates successful traders from the rest. It's not just about making profitable trades, but about consistently applying a sound strategy that leads to long-term financial success. Remember, the journey of crypto trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are essential virtues for achieving sustained success in this ever-evolving market. The integration of cryptocurrencies and artificial intelligence is not just a trend, it's the forefront of a financial revolution. This combination is set to redefine what it means to engage in financial markets, making them more accessible, efficient, and secure. As we look to the future, the potential for these technologies to shape our financial destinies is immense. Embracing these technologies today could well be the key to unlocking financial freedom tomorrow. For those willing to learn and adapt, the rewards can be substantial. The journey to mastering crypto trading and leveraging AI is not without its challenges, but the potential returns are worth the effort. It represents a significant shift towards a more inclusive and equitable financial system. As we continue to witness the growth and impact of cryptocurrencies and AI, one thing is clear: they are here to stay. The future of finance will be driven by innovation, and these technologies will play a pivotal role in shaping that future. For anyone looking to secure their financial future, now is the time to engage, learn, and adapt to these exciting and transformative financial tools. Crypto trading and AI are not just about financial gains, they are about taking control of your financial future and reshaping it with the tools of tomorrow. The journey is as promising as it is challenging, and for those ready to embark on it, the potential for success is boundless.